Here I have Huawei Nova Y90, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera. Then when you just like in a normal photo mode, what you have to do is to hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let's try it out. So I just hold it and like the burst shot starts. So I took like 28 shots right now, and here we can review them all just like this, as you can see. So here you can pick the one that suits you best and like save it and delete other ones. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.